Have you ever had this situation happen to you before? To fix this issue, first I need some parts. So we're gonna get some. Parts are acquired. So before I show you what I bought, I will first remove the door handle. It's really easy, just a T27 bolt and then the handle comes out. So now that the door handle is out, do you see what's missing? No? Well, I will show you. So the part that I bought, it's this. It's the whole door handle, and I'm gonna show you what I bought, why I bought the whole handle. You can buy the parts that you need individually, but they're pretty expensive individually, so it really doesn't make sense to buy them individually. So I bought a whole door handle with all the pieces that I need, and then I'll have like a spare door handle if I need it for this car or my other car. Do you now see what's missing from the other one? This is the new one. If you still can see it, I cannot make it more obvious, so. But yeah, it's this piece here, this spring mechanism, this whole setup. It's missing. And usually, what happens is over time, with people unlocking the door and, vibrations and stuff. Also, winter, harsh winter, because this car was in Switzerland. Um, this piece here breaks from where it attaches to the actual cylinder, the lock cylinder, and it just falls into the door. So this is what happened. If you're unlucky, you may also have this piece broken, in which case you need to repin the other lock cylinder and reinstall it. And yeah, it's a whole nother process. But thankfully for me, it's just this mechanism that's broken. So I'm gonna transfer it to the other door handle and reinstall it. The way you remove it is pretty easy. Just twist it like that and gently pry it off, and it's out. And then this piece, similar sort of story, just gently pry it upwards and it comes out. And this is what we are left with. Well, it turns out that I lied to you. I actually do need to repin the cylinder because this one is smaller, so this piece won't fit around it. So yes, I do need to repin it, but the good news for you is that I will show you how to repin it, so still, I hate my life. So the way you repin them is pretty easy. So if you have two cylinders like this, you basically pull them out of the door handle. It's pretty easy. Just put the key in and then pull out and it will come out. And you push this slightly up to release the first pin, and then you do the same thing on the other one. and you just transfer this one to here and this one to here, basically replacing their positions in the cylinder, and that's it. But you need to be careful because inside here there are small springs that basically spring those pins out when you remove your key, and this is what actually prevents, other keys and screwdrivers and stuff to actually rotate the lock. And yeah, that's basically the process. They're just pulling out like this. It's pretty easy. You just do it like that. You see? And it's out. It's really easy. And that's it. Just transfer them. I'm gonna show you when I finished with replacing their positions. Okay, so the pins are transferred, and now my key works with the new cylinder, and the new key just, it works, but I don't need it. So now I'm getting my door handle here, and you essentially put the cylinder here like this. You can see that it works. It rotates, so that's what you want to see. And then you put this piece back on like so, and then the pin that actually interacts with the actual lock, and you essentially put it like so. It can be a little bit tricky, but it's doable. Yeah, like so. It's done. And now you essentially have a new, lock. And I can pull the key out and reinstall it into the car. Okay, so I tried to make that last clip satisfying, but it didn't really work out. So yeah, that's the end of today's video that probably no one is interested in, but still, hopefully you found it useful. And yeah, I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.